Hello everyone, welcome back to Quang MKT, where marketing meets automation. In this video, I'm going to show you how to farm Facebook accounts effectively. So now, let's get to the point. Look at the main screen right now. From the left hand side, we have a lot of functions as usual, and today we will go to the account interaction. Interactive configuration. Firstly, we add the script, and yes, for example, I have the existing script right now here, okay? The total number of actions selected. This section is the total actions of what you just chose over here. You see, there are a lot of actions over here. And the total number of actions running. For example, if you have 6 and you need to run all the 6 actions for the accounts, you choose 6. Or if it is needed, 5 or 4 based on you. Okay. The interval between actions from 7 to 10 seconds. No interaction duplication. Okay. Based on you also. Select, unselect all actions. For example, with all setting, you want to generate command with AI or generate message with AI and generate reply with AI. You see, when you stick into the single line, for example, the default content language, you will choose English, okay? Or customized description, you should enter whatever you want to comment, okay? Or the default content, the length of comments, maybe 10 to 20 words, for example. It is the generating comment with AI. What about the message with AI? You enter the description here, okay? And yeah, the same with the above. Generate reply with AI. It's also the same as well. The generate birthday message with AI, okay? The general interaction. The general interaction. For example, you see, we choose to read notification, read new feed, scroll news feed like the human do. From scroll from 50 to 60 seconds. Like post on new feed. For example, if you want to, and share the random post to where each account will share 2 posts maybe. Remember, no interaction duplication. So when you choose 10 accounts to do 7 actions, it will random. It will automatically run random. Okay, run randomly. Random command on new feeds. Scroll story also. You see. And scroll video. What about with friends? Interact with friends number of word. Stick everything like react to friends posts. Oh, add friends with friends. Comment on friends posts. Look at over here. You can enter the content. Enter the content what you want to comment on your friends post. Okay, as well as send random message to friends. Wish happy birthday to friends when there is an occasion, a special occasion to your friends. What about by UID? Interact with UID number of words, random ID, enter each line, each UID. So in the previous video, I was showing you how to get the UID from a profile, right? React to friends post, as well as add friend with UID, comment on post, send random message to UID. The group interaction is also an amazing one. Scroll to group feed. Okay, you enter the group, you scroll randomly 3 to 5 posts, 3 to 5 groups. Okay, and posts per group maybe 3, 4 to 6 posts each group. React to group comments each one. Okay, and this is the number. Enter the number. Add friend with members and invite friends to group. Group post comments. Reply to group comments. Leave group pending approval. And about the group by ID, group interaction with ID. If you want, you enter the group ID here. If you have the group ID, join the group. React to group posts, react to group comments, add friend with members, invite friends to group post comments, reply to group comments. A lot of choices, a lot of options for you. And last but not least, on page, browse page feed. For example, you can scroll randomly. It should be page right here. Okay. Scroll randomly. and interact with a lot of page, 10 page maybe, okay. When you stick here, you will have a lot of choices below, it will unlock the functions below, and you stick on that and enter the number, okay, and press save, okay, and that is okay. So I have my script right now, save and update interaction successfully. And yes, now we're gonna choose a lot of accounts, okay. We start. It's easy, right? And that is the way you control or farm Facebook accounts automatically. And thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Quang MKT for more automation tutorial every week. See you in the next video.